You're not leaving yourself. I mean, there's a type of symbolic leaving of yourself, but you have to come back. You can't just float in the ether until you die. I had this experience of fana. That's not appropriate. It's not how the sunnah, that's not how the Prophet ﷺ taught us to be. See, we want to be middle. And the middle way is a tough way. It's not easy. People think, oh, the middle is kind of lukewarm. No, it's the hardest way of all. It's the most challenging way. If you want to be a monk, it's actually easy. It's actually easy. If you ever spent time traveling and just spent time with the community and just did dhikr, I did that for a little bit. It was easy. People thought, wow, how did you do that? It's easy. I just sat and just did dhikr all day. It's not a problem for me. And then there's the other extreme of being in the dunya, and this is also easy for me. And working hard and getting money and rising in the ranks, and we can all do that, right? If we just turned everything else off and just focused on dunya, we could. It's not that hard. But to put everything together, to have work time, to have leisure time, to go to the gym, to see your friends, to spend quality time with your family, quality time with your spouse, to have time for Allah and the awrad and the adhkar, to spend time, in suhbah with your shaykh and so on and so forth. So all these things, it's hard to balance all of that, isn't it? It's harder to be middle. There's so much barakah as you approach it, and tawfiq, and futuhat. What's a fath? We're talking about Allah yaftah alaykum. What's a fath? An opening. What's an opening do? Realizations. In one way, I like to think about it, what a fath does is that it makes difficult things easy. Something feels really difficult, and then, I have a big test, and we say, Allah yaftah alayk. And then you go and subhanAllah, I crushed, I got an A. Yeah. I don't know how I did it, but I got an A. Fath. It was difficult, but Allah made a way for you. And Allah opens, as we follow the footsteps of the Prophet ﷺ, inwardly and outwardly, and heal and honor our body, and sleep properly, and eat properly. How much of the sunnah is about these types of things? And we go straight to the spiritual stuff, and we leave that. That you will have fath in your life. I swear. Wallahi. Allah will bless you. Allah will give you light. Allah will give you strength. He'll give you access to your inner light, the Fitrah in your heart. Your special gifts. Your special contributions to make in this world. Absolutely. We have to understand, we have to know that.